In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove editors on Google Sites fast and easy. This process will help you manage your collaborators effectively, especially if you need to change or update who has access to your Google site. Let's get started right away. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Sites. Open your preferred web browser and type Google Sites into the search bar. This will bring up a list of search results, so from here, click on the link that takes you directly to Google Sites. Alternatively, you can directly enter sitesgoogle.com into your address bar for a quicker route. Once you're on the Google Sites homepage, you'll see a list of all the sites that you're currently working on or that have been shared with you. Browse through this list to find the specific site where you want to remove an editor. Click on the site's name to open it. Now, to modify the sharing settings, look for the Share with Others button, usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on this button will open a new window called Share with People and Groups. This window shows the list of all current collaborators who have access to your Google site. In this list, locate the name of the editor you wish to remove. Next to their name, you will see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal a few options regarding their access level. You can remove the editor entirely by selecting the Remove Access option. This is represented by a simple X that you can click to revoke their access immediately. If you do not want to remove them entirely, but want to change their role from an editor to a viewer, simply select the Viewer option instead. This will allow them to see the content without making any changes. After you've made these changes, it's time to save them. You do this by clicking on the Done button at the bottom of the Sharing Settings window. Clicking Done will confirm and apply the changes you've just made. And there you have it. You've successfully managed the editors on your Google site, either by completely removing them or by changing their access role. This process is not only simple but also efficient, allowing you to have more control over who gets to manage your content. Managing access is a crucial part of site administration, ensuring that your content stays secure and is only edited by trusted individuals. Keep this process in mind whenever you need to reevaluate and manage your team's access to shared resources. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more guides and tutorials like this.